The fire's going. I'm warm. I'm ready to keep hunting. And now it's time for a little bit of forest monk oatmeal with a little bit of charcoal mixed in. Oatmeal is a very good survival food. Nice carbs. If you have a little sugar, it'd be good to add in too for enhanced energy. And this warms up the insides. So when you're ready to keep scouting, keep hunting, you can go. Living this way, or trying to live this way as much as possible, is very good for your spirit, I believe, and your overall well-being, including your mental and physical health. And moreover, it trains you to be self-sufficient and a true survivalist.